So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And guessing by what I have right here, it's the 5k milestone. So right now my channel has hit 5k subscribers, and it's right after the new year. So in the last year video, I had a goal of getting 3k subscribers in 2022, and guess what? At the start of December, you guys completed the 3-year goal, but also went to 4k. That was really nice. So I ordered myself a gift, but before the gift could come, you guys completed 5k. So that was really nice, and thanks for supporting me. And now let's find out what I've got for myself. So here I have two of the things that I've got. So first thing, guessing by its shape, it's obviously supposed to be a mat. So let me just open up the mat. So, ow. I'm gonna demolish the packet because I'm just doing it. Now, keeping the packets aside, this is the mat that has the really nice cube, and it actually opens up so it looks like the magnetic cube. And now, the magnetic cube itself. Now, GAN is one of the most famous GAN, 3x3s that there are. And I really love GAN from the start. Well, not exactly, but I still always wanted a GAN. So in today's video, the video is already started, but right now I'm going to be opening up this box to see what cube's inside. So I'm going to need a scissor for this one. Or maybe I can just, I demolished the pack. And then after getting rid, okay, you know what? I need a scissor. I'll be back with scissors. So here I've got my scissors, and let's resume destroying this box. Not destroying, but at least opening it. So I started opening it from, I don't remember where, but I'm gonna start from here. Yep, I'm gonna demolish the pack. After removing the cover, I have the box. Now, I'm gonna be opening it, so let's open it. Oops. And here it is. Well, nothing special right now, but let's go through it. So right now, I've got some type of card. Looks like a credit card, to be honest. Well, cool. I'll notice and I'll read what it is about. Keeping it aside. And then there is a tutorial of how to solve this cube. Keeping that aside. Now the main cube. This is the GAN 356XS. Ow. And I just poked my nail through it. Now let me just quickly open it. And over here, I've got the cube itself. Now taking it out and moving it. Well, I have no idea how a magnetic cube is supposed to be, but this sure is really smooth. And that's okay. I really like this cube, and this is actually one of the really cool magnetic cubes that I really like. But well, right now, let's check what's in the box. So there is one more pack, which is over here, and I'm gonna be opening up the pack, and woo! There's a dark blue GAN bag. Really cool. Now, it's gonna be storing my GAN 3x3 inside. Oops. So, yeah, I stored it in. You know what? I'm definitely gonna be keeping this bag just for my GAN cube because this is so soft. And then in the box, I have some modifications and a bunch of tutorials of how to solve the cube and stuff, and these things, whatever they are, and yeah, and this GAN thing, which tells me about the modifications, which is really nice. Nothing in this box. Well, so yeah, this is my GAN right now, and I'm really happy for what you guys have done for my channel and what you have subscribed to me. Also, if you really like my videos, you should surely leave a comment. That actually makes me feel really good after when I read your comments, and I try to reply to you guys as soon as I can. So yeah, I was really really, surprised of how quickly you got me to 5K. That was totally not expected. So yeah, now, well, I'm gonna be busy solving this cube for the rest of my time or rest of my day. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. And this was my GAN 356 XS, which was specially for my 3K subscribers. But now we have 5K. Bye bye.